Hi guys, today I want to show you how to replace the daytime running light bulb on a Kia Picanto. This is a quick and easy method, way easier than what many other channels show you. Some people make it look super complicated, but the truth is, all you need is a small flathead or Phillips screwdriver. That's it. You don't need a car jack, you don't need to remove the wheel, and you definitely don't need the special skills. You can do this in just 4-5 minutes. Alright, let's get started. First, turn the steering wheel to the side of the burn-out bulb. For example, if the left bulb is out, turn the wheel to the left. In my case, I'm replacing the right bulb. So I'm turning the steering wheel to the right. Behind the wheel, you will see two plastic clips with a cross in the middle. This is where you will need your screwdriver. Use the screwdriver to turn each clip 90 degrees. They should pop out slightly. Then use your finger or fingernails to pull the clips out. Next, remove two more identical clips located under the bumper, near the wheel area. Once all four clips are removed, you can gently pull back the wheel arch liner, also called an inner fender liner. This will give you enough space to reach the bulb with your hand. Find the bulb socket and turn it anti-clockwise. Yes, anti-clockwise. And the socket with the bulb will come out of the lamp. To remove the old bulb, press down gently and turn it to release. Now insert the new bulb the same way. Before reinstalling everything, make sure the new bulb works. If it lights up correctly, great. Reinsert the socket into the lamp. Push the wheel arch liner back into place and secure it using the same four clips. And that's it, job done. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.